For the stability of a floating body, center of buoyancy must coincide with the center of gravity. Center of buoyancy must be above the center of gravity. Center of gravity must be above the center of buoyancy, or metacenter must be above the center of gravity. Let's understand the equilibrium of a floating body using suitable diagram. Now in this diagram we can see the condition of stable equilibrium for a floating body in terms of metacentric height is as below. If the metacenter is above the center of gravity, that means when we say Gm is greater than 0 or positive, which means m is above center of gravity, m here is the metacentric height, so we say the body is in stable equilibrium. If the metacenter coincide with the center of gravity, we say the body is in neutral equilibrium, and if the center of gravity is above the metacenter as shown in this third diagram, when Gm is lesser than 0, we say the body is in unstable equilibrium. Unstable. Because if G is above m, it will create an overturning moment, and when m is above G, it will create a restoring moment. Okay, and if Gm is equal to 0, that means when m coincide with G, we say the body is in neutral equilibrium. Now if in terms of center of gravity and center of buoyancy, we can say the body is in stable equilibrium when the center of gravity is above the center of buoyancy. It should be directly above the center of buoyancy. That means the line of symmetry must remain same. Okay, so G must be above center of buoyancy. Let's write B. Here the body will be in stable equilibrium. If G coincide with B, then the body will be in neutral equilibrium, and if G is below B, we say it's unstable. Must remember that this is applicable only for submerged body. And not applicable for floating bodies. Okay, because for floating bodies there will be a metacenter and Gm must be greater than 0 for stable equilibrium. So let's write here these conditions are for floating bodies, which is asked in this problem. So after this explanation, we can choose the correct option here. Metacenter must be above the center of gravity. So this is the must be condition for a floating body to be in stable equilibrium. For more insight on this topic, you can refer to the NPTEL course, lecture number 7, Fluid Static Part 4 on Fluid Mechanics by Professor S.K. Som of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Kharagpur.